Welcome to our channel. If you want to create and send your first email campaign using Mailchimp to reach your subscribers effectively, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete campaign creation. Step 1. Log into your Mailchimp account and click on Create in the top menu, then select Email to start a new campaign. Step 2. Choose your campaign type. For a one-time email blast, select Regular Campaign. Other options include automated campaigns and A/B testing. Step 3. Enter your campaign details, including a campaign name for internal reference. This name is only visible to you, not your subscribers. Step 4. Select your audience or segment. Choose which subscribers should receive this email, whether it's your entire list or a specific segment. Step 5. Fill in the From section with your sender name and email address. Use a recognizable name and a legitimate reply to address. Step 6. Write your subject line in the subject field. Make it compelling and relevant to increase open rates. You can also add preview text. Step 7. Choose an email template by clicking Design Email. Mailchimp offers pre-designed templates, or you can create a custom design from scratch. Step 8. Customize your email content using the drag and drop editor. Add text blocks, images, buttons, and other elements to create your message. Step 9. Preview your email by clicking the Preview button. Check how it looks on desktop and mobile devices to ensure proper formatting. Step 10. Send yourself a test email to review the final version before sending to your entire list. Step 11. Once satisfied, click Schedule to send immediately, or schedule for a later time. Then confirm to send your campaign. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.